Everyone dreams of becoming successful in the stock market, but most people quit right before success arrives. In today's story, we'll learn one thing. No matter how hard the market hits you, never give up, because the one who never quits always wins in the end. So, watch the story till the end. In a busy city lived a young trader named Arjun. He started trading with big dreams of freedom, success, and a better life for his family. In the beginning, every trade went against him. He lost money, confidence, and even the trust of people around him. His friends mocked him, saying, "Trading isn't for everyone, Arjun. Just quit before it's too late." But Arjun didn't quit. Every loss taught him something new. He learned risk management, journaling, and patience. Still, months passed and profits didn't come. One day, disappointed and tired, he visited a small temple near his home. There, he saw an old gardener trying to break a big stone with a hammer. The gardener struck the stone again and again 10 times, 50 times, 99 times, but it didn't crack. Then, on the 100th strike, the stone split into two perfectly. Arjun was surprised. He said, "Uncle, was it the last strike that broke the stone?" The old man smiled and replied, "No, my son, it was not the 100th strike. It was the strength of all 99 strikes that made the last one possible." Those words hit Arjun harder than any market loss. Success in trading is just like breaking that stone. Each loss, each mistake, each sleepless night is a strike building up your strength for that one big breakthrough. Arjun went back home, started fresh, and followed his process with discipline. He controlled his emotions, respected his stop loss, and focused on learning instead of earning. Months later, the same Arjun who once thought of quitting executed a perfect setup and booked his biggest profit ever. But this time, he didn't celebrate money. He celebrated his journey, the 99 failed trades that made this one trade possible. In trading, success doesn't come to those who are perfect. It comes to those who never give up. Because every chart, every loss, every correction is not there to break you, it's there to build you. Remember, the stock market rewards patience, not panic. And in this game, quitting is the only real loss. So, if you are a trader going through tough times, hold on. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep striking. Your 100th trade might be the one that changes your life. If you felt this story, share it with someone who's about to give up and remind them winners don't quit, they evolve.